Alright, we are done with that job. That was not fun. In fact, it was kind of tough. But let me tell you something. Don't give up. It's kind of easy to go, oh man, I'm overwhelmed, it's too tough. I'll put this off another day. And another day turns into another day, turns into another week. You know what I mean? Don't be that guy. Try harder, work harder, we can get it done. Don't give up. What's up, everybody? So, tonight we're going to be tackling more of the rear of this car. I know, I'm sick of seeing videos in my garage too, but we're getting a lot of things done, and this car is going to be amazing when it's finished. I mean, just check out the way that front end is coming out. Sweet! I've got my Bryce Menzies shirt on tonight. I got this shirt when we were out filming Bryce in the Las Vegas desert a couple years ago maybe. Check this out. I was feet away from Bryce Menzies' trophy truck. Maybe one day we'll build a trophy truck or learn to drive a trophy truck. Anyway, I got big dreams, big ideas, and I'm not giving up. So, the theme tonight is don't give up. Because this E30 has been a pain in the butt. I'm feeling good about how the front came out. And the front was tough, definitely gave me some painful moments. But the rear of this car is where most of the rust is. So, it's already proving to be a little bit difficult with sticky parts. I got the rear axles out. I didn't show you that because it's pretty simple. What's been tough is these hubs. I've gone back and forth on different tools, but I figured out a solution. So these should be the only tools you need. Three-jaw gear puller. That pulls out the axles, and then a, I want to say it's an H6 socket. Simple. Then, a sledgehammer and a 27mm socket. It's all I needed to drive the hub out from the rear. And once that was out, we just used a 1 3/4 inch socket to drive out the bearing. Of course, after you remove the snap ring, which you'll need a pair of snap ring pliers for. So there's some other things, but my point with this is don't fall for all the stuff on YouTube. I know I'm just another YouTube video, but don't fall for all that stuff that says you need to concoct this tool or rent that tool or buy this tool. Let me show you something. This is when it dawned on me. The Bentley manual says, from behind, drive the wheel hub out of the wheel bearing. So the whole time I was trying to figure out all these methods, and they would have told me if I needed some special puller, but they didn't. They said drive the wheel hub out of the wheel bearing from behind. That's when I said, okay. 27mm socket and a sledgehammer. And it worked. The next step, remove the large circlip which holds the wheel bearing in the wheel bearing housing, then drive the bearing out. And that's exactly what I did with a 1 3/4. So we did it, folks. Simple. So honestly, in the end, it cost me nothing. Maybe it'll cost me a socket later on, but it didn't cost me anything. So, hubs are out, bearings are out, dust shields are off, springs are off, shocks are off. My next step, I think, is to take off the emergency brake line, which I'm just going to cut because I'm doing a whole different setup anyway. So I'm going to take off the emergency brake line, disconnect all the brake lines, remove the rear trailing arms, then remove the subframe, the diff. Not in that order, but you get it. I got a lot to do. But let me tell you something. Don't give up. We all know the guy that's got an unfinished car in his garage. Maybe we don't know him personally, but we've all seen it. Some car up on blocks that needs this or needs that. Don't be that guy. You know what I mean? don't give up. Try harder, work hard, don't give up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.